Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 7.4 on AlmaLinux 9 server. This is my server resource, disk, RAM, Zabbix version 7.4, PHP version must be used 8.0. I'm checking version server IP. This is my server version and this is my server IP address. Must be your server update and upgrade using DNF upgrade command. Upgrade done. Now download this RPM package for Zabbix 7.4, DNF clean install, and then switch to PHP 8.2 using this DNF command. Now download this Zabbix main script. I am using Zabbix and Nginx web. Press Y for accept all installation process. Press Y for official repository download. Download done. Now install database server, MySQL database. MySQL database installation done. Now start MySQL service. Now enable MySQL service and then log into MySQL terminal for reset MySQL root password using this command, and then create database user for Zabbix. Successfully created. Done. Import default database using created. Type this password. It will take up to 5 minutes. Then import done into default database. Default database import done. Now again log into MySQL terminal using password and then change global settings. And step 5, add database name, DB name, username and password into Zabbix conf file. Scroll down and should be default DB name and DB user comment, and then save and exit. And step 6, going to Nginx configuration and remove this hash mark. And if you want to use domain name, so you can type here, otherwise input server IP address, and listen port should be 80, not 8080, and then restart all services and then enable all services using this command. And the next step, firewall settings. Firewall, this is important part for your Linux Red Hat system. Enable 80443 for HTTPS. This is for HTTP, and this is data sent and received. And you can run this command. And next step, SELinux config. SELinux config should be disabled, otherwise your server not get and receive data using this port. So open this config file, then scroll down and then Linux enforcing, which is disabled, and then save and exit. Now reboot your server, otherwise Linux policy not working. Now coming up my server, then server access your IP address and complete web installation process. This is welcome Zabbix 7.4. Next, this you see is pre-installation summary. This is all status is okay. If you see any error, so you can go into next step, DB name, password, and it should be your user password. This is Zabbix@123 already created. Then click next step. You can enter any name, no problem. Pre-installation summary. Next step, congratulations, finish. Successfully installation done. After successfully done web installation, then log into dashboard. Default login, username admin, A must be capital, and password is Zabbix. Successfully Zabbix 7.4 latest version installation done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.